Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni Attorney Harry Roque. Sabi niya, Leandro Libiste could potentially become the president in the future, kaya laban lang Senator Loren. Okay. Isinare ni Attorney Roque ang isang open letter kay Senator Loren Legarda. Kasi iniipit ngayon, pinagtutulungan, kinukuyog ng mga Duterte diehard haters si Senator Legarda nang dahil sa pagkampi niya sa Brave 13. Kaya nakaupo ngayon si Senator Cayetano as Senate President. An open letter to Senator Loren Legarda. Dear Senator Legarda, a portrait may be removed from a wall, but a lifetime of work cannot be erased by the lifting of a frame. Okay. Yung alma mater ni Senator Loren, yung Assumption College, meron siyang malaking portrait doon, isa sa mga empowered women. Mga ilan-ilan sila doon na kinilala ng college na mga successful. So ngayon, tinanggal na yung litrato niya bilang protesta sa ginawa niyang pagkudita kay Senator Soto. Kaya sinabi dito, a portrait may be removed from a wall, but a lifetime of work cannot be erased by the lifting of a frame. Some celebrate your public humiliation as though history itself can be revised overnight. But nations are not built on moments of outrage alone. They are built too on memory, complexity, sacrifice, and the difficult burden of conscience. Whatever verdict institutions may hand down, your worth as a woman, public servant, and Filipino does not disappear because a portrait was taken down from the wall of empowered women of your alma mater. Because long before politics turned into a spectacle, there was already Loren Legarda. Ako, estudyante pa ata ko noon. Nanonood na ako kay Loren Legarda sa kanyang mga programa, Inside Story. Ang galing niyang magtanong. Noon pa, bumilib na ako kay Loren Legarda nung nasa broadcast, nung journalist pa lang siya. Kaya agree ako dito. There was the fearless young journalist of the Inside Story who asked difficult questions when it was dangerous to ask them. There was the woman who entered public service carrying not celebrity but competence. There was the legislator who fought for climate justice before it became fashionable, who defended culture when it was easier to ignore it, and who consistently spoke for women, indigenous peoples, workers, artists, and the forgotten sectors of this country. Many girls grew up believing they too could occupy spaces once reserved only for men because they saw you there first. And while people may disagree with your recent political decisions passionately, even painfully, it is dishonest to pretend that your decades of public service suddenly amount to nothing. A nation at a crossroads places enormous weight on a single vote. History knows this well. Sometimes the loneliest decisions are made not in uncertainty, but in conflict, in the terrible space between loyalty, survival, principle, governance, and consequence. Only you truly know what the burden sat upon your conscience when you cast your vote in the Senate halls. But what is happening to you now feels larger than this agreement. It feels ritualistic, a public excommunication designed to warn others what happens to those who break from expected political lines. And perhaps that is the saddest part of all, because democratic societies should still leave room for complexity, for disappointment without dehumanization, for criticism without erasure. You are not merely a photograph on a corridor wall. You are Senator Loren Regina Bautista Ligarda of the Filipino people. No institution can fully revoke the years you spent in public service to this nation. No blank space on a wall can erase the laws you authored, the communities you helped protect, the women you inspired, or the causes you carried long before they become politically convenient. And beyond titles and offices, there is another legacy no public controversy can easily diminish. Raising a human being who possesses conviction strong enough to speak for what he believes in, even publicly and at personal cost. We thank you for Congressman Leandro Ligarda Libeste. That too reflects a kind of motherhood and courage history rarely acknowledged enough. These coming days will be likely difficult. Politics is unforgiving, and public memory can be cruel. But there are still Filipinos who understand that leadership is not measured solely by applause nor erased solely by condemnation. A wall may reject you today. History may yet remember you differently. And perhaps that is where true legacy resides, not in frame recognition bestowed by institutions, but in the enduring and complicated imprint one leaves on a nation and its people. With respect, a Filipina who believes in you. Laban lang po, Senator Loren. Mas marami kami na nagpapasalamat sa iyo. Yung boto nyo sa Senado has changed the course of our history. Ngayon, yung Blue Ribbon Committee hearing magpapatuloy na. Ang taong bayan na biktima ng inhustisya, makakakuha ng hustisya dahil magpatuloy ng investigasyon. Salamat po sa boto nyo, Senator Loren Ligarda. Salamat po sa anak na isinilang nyo. Salamat sa pagpapalaki nyo kay Congressman Leandro Ligarda Libeste na ako naniniwala sa pronouncement ni Attorney Roque na sabi niya someday he is the future President of the Philippines. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin niyo ang video na ito.
Karon mo na ni si Kuya tagaan og send aron makabalay siya.
Salamat sa agihatag nga sin. Hindi kami kumaulanan.
So, abot na gyud siya sa iyang balay. So karon mo na ni ang itsura sa balay ni Kuya nga gatuluan na gyud siya na nay mga uslot sa iyang balay. So mag-atop na gyud si Kuya karon.
Kayo sa video og sa mga viewers natuntang murakan pa ilang matabangan.
Pasok ka. O karon humanagid ang atok ni kuya. Nag-atok na gid siya. O karon kuya, unsa imong masulti nga natagaan na mo yero nga nakaatop na gyud mo?
Ay, salamat kayo sa Ginoo ug sa video ug sa mga supporters sa kaniyang vloga. Ug sa mga vlog
So,
sa.
kuya.
Masalamat lang kung dako nga natupad gyud akong abuhan.
Oo. Sige at ate og kuya, salamat kaayo.